Welcome everybody. Legislative Council for Class 10th and Useful for General Knowledge by Vikumar Sir Sardual. Today date 8 April and 20. Today video started without losing time. Okay. Article 169. Article 169 mention the constitution of the Legislative Council when the Legislative Assembly passes the resolution by 2 by 3 majority and then sends it to the parliament. Then the parliament decided whether the legislative council should be constituted in that state and not or not. Yes and no. Okay. Once again, Article 169 mentions the constitution of the Legislative Council when the Legislative Assembly passes the resolution by 2 by 3 majority and then sends it to the Parliament. Then the Parliament decided whether the Legislative Council should be constituted in that state or and not. The Legislative Council is a permanent house which can never be dissolved. Next. Not according to the number of members of the Legislative Assembly, the number of members of the Legislative Council is a 1/3 but not less than 40. But only in Jammu Kashmir, only and Jammu Kashmir, only in Jammu Kashmir and the member was less than 40 to 36. What reason? There was also a reason why some area of Jammu and Kashmir went into POK is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. So there were 4 seats in Pakistan. What now? There is no legislative council and legislative assembly in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Article 370. Article 370 has been repealed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Okay. Article 370 has been repealed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and made it is a union territory. So now India has a legislative council in 6 states. Next, attention. Not money bill. Not money bill be proposed only in legislative assembly. Legislative assembly and not in legislative council. Article 197 status. Once again, attention. Not money will be proposed only in legislative assembly and not in legislative council. Article 197 states. 197 status. Okay, understand? Election of members. Election of members. 5 by 6 is elected. Okay. 1 by 6 is nominated. 1 by 12 graduated members are included. One by teachers are included. Okay. And here too some are elected in this way. You are understand? 1 3 1 3 1 third of the members are elected are from the district council, municipal corporation, cantonment board, and 1 by 3 one third of the member elected the assembly. Elected assembly. Okay. And 1/6 of the member are nominated by the governor, state governor. Okay. And next, 1 by 12 1 over 12 member graduated are selected who have completed 3 years of graduation. 1/12 members graduated complete 3 years of graduation. Complete 3 years of graduation. Okay. And next, 1 by 12 1 over 12 members are elected teachers who have at least 3 years of teaching experience in a government school. 3 years. Okay. 3 year experience and government school. government school. Okay. Next, ability. Ability. Age of 30 years should be completed except age. The qualification of the members of the Legislative Assembly is the same qualification as the member of the Legislative. Okay, once again, age 30 years should be completed except age. The qualification of the members of the Legislative Assembly is the same qualification as the member of the Legislative Council. Okay. Election. Simple point. Short. Election. Election to the Legislative Council are conducted by single transferable vote method. Transferable vote method. Okay. Understand? And tenure. The tenure of the member of the Legislative Council is 6 years. 6 years. What after 2 years one third of the member leave posted. One third member leave their posts. Okay. Officer. There is a chairman and there is a deputy chairman. Legislative Council can remove them from their posts and resigns only to each other. Resign only each other or remove legislative. Okay, Legislative Council can remove. Once again, there is a chairman and there is a deputy chairman. Legislative Council can remove them from their posts and resign only to each other. I have made a short trick to remember the states of India. There is a legislative council here in the first 7 states, but due to the formation of Jammu and Kashmir as a union territory, it is in 6 states. My trick: ABC. A mean Andhra, B mean Andhra, B mean Bihar, C mean Karnataka, M mean Maharashtra, T mean Telangana, U mean UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and C. This trick you are remember the trick ABCMTU. ABCMTU. Show the screen. A mean Andhra Pradesh, 50 seats. Okay. B mean Bihar, 75 seats. C mean Karnataka, 75 seats. M mean Maharashtra, 78 seats. T mean Telangana, 40 seats. And U mean Uttar Pradesh, 100 seats. Okay. How Here are some questions related to the Legislative Council. How many members are elected in the Legislative Assembly? Answer: 5 by 6 members. Once again, repeat this question. How many members are elected in the Legislative Council? Answer: 5 by 6 members. Next question. How many years are tenure of the member of the Legislative Council? Answer: 6 years. Repeat once again. How many years are the tenure of the members of the Legislative Council? Answer: 6 years. Can the money bill first be proposed in the Legislative Council? Answer: no. The Legislative Council has the right to stay for only 14 days. Repeat once again this question. Can the money bill first be proposed in the Legislative Council? Answer: no. The Legislative Council has the right to stay for only 14 days. Only 14 days. You are all welcome on our channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share your friends with the channel. My channel name VK Science Star Education Channel. Once again, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, and I want to pray for you to stay home and stay safe because COVID-19 disease is a very dangerous disease. So stay safe and keep your friends and family safe too. I want permission from you. I will be back once again with a new video. Thanking you.